Hi, this is Mei Ming. I'm from Sanyi Lights, USA. So we are manufactured for more than 26 years, and we have more than 15 branch offices over the world. And I'm happy to represent our US office today. We are located in Los Angeles, South San Monte. We are able to offer you with all the inventories and also the warranties and service locally, nationwide to all the states of the United States. So what we have here is we distribute what we produce. So you can see our products range are really wide. We have moving heads from 90 watts up to 1,000 watts. Different types. It can be hybrid or bin or wash, professional levels, and it can be operated or used for indoor. Or we have also different effects lights like the vintage series and also all the COBs for churches, for weddings, for DJs, for event planners, etc. So the good advantage that we have is that we are manufactured direct price, but we are also local. So we offer services and warranties with experts that work in the USA market for more than 30 years. Any problem or anything happens, you can reach us directly 24 hours. No, I'm just kidding. So at least that 12 hours available. So you don't have to worry about any warranties or technical support. So this is the guy that talk about 30 years of experience in the market. So thank you for watching our video. Thanks.